I just wanted to show you guys how to copy and paste stuff quickly for your review of records. So some of the stuff's already in here. So this is the box that's his current classroom-based assessments. So this is where you're putting grades, progress monitoring, all that stuff. Okay, so in order to get it there without retyping everything, so we have these 2 pieces of paper. You're going to click that. And then it says form entries. So most of the information, if it's just a review of records, you could pull from the last IEP. So his last IEP was last year. And say I wanted to put my progress reports in here because I need to talk about progress monitoring. So I click my progress reports. And then which one do I want? I only have goals. And then all my information will be listed here for any progress reports that were in the previous IEP. Then you could hit copy and it'll automatically go in here. Okay? Same thing with like present levels. So if you wanted to go to the previous IEP, so you don't have to retype that paragraph, just go to present levels of academic achievement. There they all are from his last IEP. You could copy and paste them over and then delete whatever you don't need. So you hit copy and it'll automatically go into your little box and then you just hit submit. And then another box that you could also do this for is your strengths and your needs. So again, clicking your little pencil, clicking your double sheets of paper. I'm going to use information from my last IEP. I am going to go to present levels. I am going to click my strengths, and then I'm going to hit copy. And when you copy it, it'll go right in there. Same things with needs. You could hit your sheet of paper. You could hit, oops, I got to change it to IEP. You can go to present levels. You can go to their needs. There it is, hit copy, and then it goes right into, again, the RR. So any information that you know is in the IEP that you could pull into the RR, you're hitting that pencil with the paper, and then you're hitting the paper with the paper, and then you're just changing whatever IEP you want to use, and then clicking your section. So I did notice I do not think this specially designed instruction copies over, so that's one that you might have to do on your own. I'm just going to double check. So yeah, the SDIs don't copy over, so that's one you're going to have to do on your own. But most of the other stuff works. If you need goals, you could go ahead and click the measurable annual goals and they'll pop in there. So pretty much anything that you need to copy from the IEP, you could do this in the RR.